Hi, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, and in this video you're going to learn the first 8 counts of an advanced tap dance combination to the song Lost in the Shadows. If you want to learn the first half of the combination for free, you can click the link below, and if you want to learn the entire combination and get a link to download the music, and there's nowhere else you can get the music, you can join our YouTube membership program for a very low monthly fee. I hope you'll consider that. All right, let's jump in and learn that first 8 counts. Starting with the right foot, you have scuffle, heel, scuffle, toe, step, heel, heel. Again, ready, go. Scuffle, toe, step, heel, heel. And counts and ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. From here, scuffle, toe, step, heel, stamp. Again, that was scuffle, toe, step, heel, stamp. Connected from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. So there's no pause between that first chunk and the next chunk. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Beautiful. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and again. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. From here, riffle, heel, stamp, stamp. That's 5 E and 6 E. Now the fun part. Spank and left toe and right step at the same time, both. Scuff, left heel and right dig at the same time, both. And then spank, left toe and right step at the same time, just like you did before, both. So that's spank both, scuff both, spank both. If this is super awkward and it feels weird and you hate it, that's normal at first. These are like, ugh. If you haven't done that kind of work before, it's like, ugh. But once you get used to it, I love it. But if you're not there yet, I understand. So again, that part was spank both, scuff both, spank both. One more time. 6, ready, go. Spank both, scuff both, spank both. Let's go back to the riffle heel. Stamp, stamp, spank both, scuff both, spank both. On that spank both, scuff both, spank both. Try saying that fast. The left foot's just doing toe, heel, toe, and the right foot is spank, touch, scuff, dig, spank, touch, basically. Cool. From the riffle heel. Ready, go. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and again. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and. Faster. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and. One more time. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and. Woo! Let's go top and connect it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and. How about a slow round to get those connected? I know I should have done that last time. Fair enough. Top slow. 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and again. Slow. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and faster. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and again. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. 5 E and 6 E, a 7 and a E and. Beautiful, my friends. Let's try that much with music. The song is called Lost in the Shadows. We're starting at 24 seconds into the song. We're going to do it about 10% under tempo first, get the hang of it, and then we'll go for real speed. So here we go, 10% under. Let's see how it goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, this speed. 7, 8. Nice. All right, we're going to try real speed. Let's see how it goes. We're going to be a little faster now. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Oh, I missed my scuff. We gotta do it one more time so I can get that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's take a look at the entire combination so you can see what you'll be learning if you click on that link below or if you join my YouTube membership. Let's see it. Well, there you have it. I hope you'll consider either learning the first half by clicking that link below or joining the YouTube membership program. UnitedTaps.com. We have so much great content. We have a huge tap dance dictionary. We've got across the floor combinations, practice exercise combinations, choreography, workouts, just a little bit of everything. I hope to see you there. Thanks again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.